What's going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to install LibreOffice to your macOS operating system. This will work for macOS. It's either Snow Leopard or Lion on up to macOS Big Sur, which is what I am currently running, as you can tell by the icons. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is because a lot of people don't know about LibreOffice. I personally use Microsoft Office because it syncs for me, and I can go on my phone and look at my OneNote for my video ideas. So the first thing you want to do is go to your favorite web browser. In this case, I'm using Safari. It will apply. It should not change the install. The install task should not change for different browsers. So if you're using Chrome, the download file is going to pop up down here in a little bar, which you should probably know if you're using a browser. And for Safari, it's just going to go into here. It does it for here too. Opera, it's going to pop up here, and Mozilla Firefox, I think, pops at the bottom somewhere. I don't remember. Actually, it pops up here in like a little download section. So what you want to do is go to the link in the description below, or look up LibreOffice download, or go to LibreOffice.org. Go ahead and click download now. What you want to do is you want to find the latest version. It doesn't actually matter if you use the latest version. You can try all these versions, these two versions, and see if you like one better. So I'm going to go ahead and download the first one. Go ahead and click download. It's going to say your download LibreOffice, and this is going to be the name of the DMG file, which should begin shortly. It's going to pop up with this window here. Go ahead and click allow. Now it's going to pop up in your downloads folder, and it might take a minute to download. You can also look up here in Safari and look at how fast it's going, and I'm getting 2.7 megabytes a second. Once the installation is complete, it's just going to stop popping up with a loading bar. What you can do is you can actually quit Safari, or you can close the tab and minimize it if you would like. I'm going to go ahead and quit Safari. Now what you want to do is go to your downloads folder. It should be on your dock already unless you moved it, and in that case, then you can't find it. You can go to your Finder, click it, and then go to your downloads folder. And if you did lose it by accident, you can actually go ahead and drag it down here into the dock, and it should allow you to do so. Now what you want to do is you want to double click on the DMG file. It's going to verify it, and then it's going to extract it to the downloads folder. Now once it's done extracting the file to the desktop, it's just going to put it on the desktop, which you can drag to the eject button after you're done installing it. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click and drag LibreOffice into the applications folder. It's going to pop up with a loading screen, and then it's going to say preparing to copy applications, and it's going to move it to the applications folder. This might take a second depending on the speed of your macOS drive, so if you're running a spin-up drive, this might take longer than if you were running on a solid state like I am. So once the installation is complete, it's going to shut off, and it's going to give you a sound depending on your version of macOS to tell you that it's done installing. I think the older versions of macOS is more familiar than Big Sur. So you can actually click the licenses if you want to read the licenses, HTML, and the README files, and this will probably just give you information about the software. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and unmount the LibreOffice file. Or sorry, the ISO, I guess is what you could call it. Go ahead and click to Launchpad. It's going to pop up with LibreOffice. You can also go ahead and just go down here to Launchpad. Go ahead and click LibreOffice so that you can check. This is more of a suite. It's going to give you Word. It's going to give you an Excel. It's probably going to give you a PowerPoint reader as well, or PowerPoint Maker, and it might give you a few other applications that are usually in Office programs. It's going to pop up with this more than likely if you have not installed this before, because it's going to make sure that obviously it's a good file to open. Just go ahead and click the open button, and when it's done installing, it's going to pop up with this window. After you open it, you can actually go ahead and go to open file up here. It's going to pop up with a drop down menu right here. For some reason my Mac's being really slow. It's probably just because I'm recording. Going to click OK. And it's going to pop up with these. These are some books I used to write. Ignore that. You can also see you have spreadsheet, document, presentation, drawing, formula, and database. I'm guessing spreadsheet would be Microsoft Excel. Writer document would be Microsoft Word. Presentation would be Microsoft PowerPoint. Drawing, I've never actually heard of. I think I've seen it in Office applications, but not very much. But that's how you guys install LibreOffice to your Mac OS operating system. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Let me know what you guys want to see for future videos in the comments below. Hope to see you guys in my next video, and peace out.